Okay, this is an unboxing of sorts. I got this box a while back from Cardinal Sin, and I had not opened it because I was kind of busy with a broken back and kidney failure, and I'm really frustrated, but I've got it done now. I mean, I'm okay, not well, but okay. So here's the box, and I will simply take out these wonderful DVDs. Let's see, we've got Classic Monsters. Sorry, I'm pointing at the screen instead of the camera. Here we go. Bela Lugosi, Boris Karloff, Lon Chaney Jr., Elsa Lanchester as Mrs. Frankenstein. Oh, the Invisible Man, too. I should know who that is, but I'm blanking on the actor's name. Cool. Marvel's Avengers. I'm getting the hang of this. I'm not going to unpack them all today because it'll take forever to upload the video. Watchmen, Director's Cut. Who Will Save Us Now? Ooh. They kind of remind me of the silence on Doctor Who. Okay, and number 4. Oh, Sherlock Holmes. With Robert Downey Jr., Jude Law, and more. I think I've seen it, but I'm not sure. And number 5, another Sherlock Holmes. A Game of Shadows, Robert Downey Jr., Jude Law. Very nice. Well, 5 is enough to start with. I'll unbox more of them later. But let's get this video uploaded to YouTube so you can see what wonderful, generous friends I have. And thank you all for listening, and have a great day.